Water damage to wall drywall near ceiling. Should I repair or extract and replace? A few months ago, we had a leak that caused some moderate damage to the drywall in the corner of one room. The resulting damage left peeling tape, as well as a gap between the drywall and the ceiling. The damage to the tape is about 12 inches long, and then the more adverse damage another 12 inches, spreading out from the joint 2 inches in either direction, up to the corner of the room. Looking into this on my own, it seems like it might be possible to redo the tape and joint compound in place, but I'm not sure whether this is actually the correct procedure. I've also seen people recommend removing a chunk of the drywall and slotting in a replacement chunk, but the details of this, how much to remove, how to ensure the replacement chunk is secure, were unclear to me. What's the proper method of handling this type of damage? This question is related but not necessarily the same. Repairing water damage to ceiling drywall where ceiling meets wall. Question from user Nevomi at Stack Exchange. Answer: I think this might be more of an opinion type question. But I would just repair the corner and fill the small section where the paper ripped off. Fill it, put a layer of tape, let it dry. Put a new corner in mud, let dry. Sand and a can of texture should fix it up. If messy with the mud, it may take more sanding. If you cut a section out, there will be more repair work. If the damaged area was wider and deeper, I would cut out, but it looks like the back paper is intact. 1, maybe 2 coats of mud should do it from what I see. Answer from user Ed Beal at Stack Exchange.